Hello, chosen ones! In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Luxarite ore in Witchspire. To find Luxarite in Witchspire, you'll need to be fairly deep into the game's main story, as this ore only becomes available once you've reached the desert island, located far to the northwest of the beginner island. If you look at the map here, you'll see that I'm standing on top of what looks like a large sandstone pillar. These towering rock formations are the key landmarks you'll want to watch for, because this is where Luxarite ore can usually be found. From what I've observed, Luxarite seems to spawn almost exclusively on top of these pillars, or attached along their sides. You can see one deposit right here on the pillar I'm standing on, another on the pillar directly in front of me, and even more further out in the distance clinging to the rocky walls. Before trying to mine it, make sure you have the Flawless Witch's pickaxe, as this is the only tool capable of harvesting Luxarite. Without it, you won't be able to collect the ore no matter how many deposits you find. Once you have the proper pickaxe, farming Luxarite is fairly straightforward. Just continue exploring the desert and keep an eye out for these massive sandstone pillars. The more pillars you check, the more Luxarite deposits you're likely to find. And that's about it on how to get Luxarite ore in Witchspire.